शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़ भेटाई रहमतुल्लाह अलैह। अवल अल्लाह अलीम आला आलम जो धणी, कादिर पंहिंजी कुदरत सी क़ाइम आहे क़दीम, वाली वाहिद वहदहू राज़िक रब रहीम। सो साराह सचो धणी चई हमद हकीम, करे पाण करीम जोड़ूं जोड़ जहान जी। Translation in the English. To begin with, I begin in the name of Allah, the Omniscient, the Supreme and the Lord of the universe, by His divine powers. He is the omnipotent since infinity. He is uncreated and unchangeable. He is the very first and the very last. He is the provider of sustenance. He is the first ever and compassionate. Praise Him, the real Lord. Verily, all praise is due to Him. He is the sagacious. His knowledge is all encompassing. It was His kindness that Allah, the compassionate, perfected the universe by satisfying all its rukn. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna kulla shayin khalaqnahu biqadarin. Surah Qamar, ayat number 49. Verily we have created everything proportionally. Lahu mulku samawati wal ardi yuhyi wa yumitu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Surah Hadid, ayat number 2. His is the sovereign of the skies and the earth. He gives life and He causes death, and He has power over all things. Huwal awwal wal akhir wal zahir wal batin wa huwa bi kulli shay'in alim. Surah Hadid, ayat number 3. He is the first and the last and the manifest and the hidden, knows all things fully well.